Hello, in this video I'm going to show you my version of the design.txt file. So the objects that I came up with, 3 are the object types that I'm going to create in my program. A square object type, a rectangle object type, and a canvas object type. A square will be creating square object instances, and to be able to have a square object instance, we need the x and the y coordinates of the upper left corner of the square. So that's how we position the square on a canvas. And then all we need to be able to draw the square is the side, so the length of the side of the square. And since squares have the same length in all sides, then we only need one here, one side, and the color of the square. And then we have this method which will draw the square with these attributes to the canvas. So we need a canvas object instance, and the canvas object instance will be created by the canvas object type. Let's move on. We have rectangle, x and y, just like the square, but width and height instead of just one side. And so we are able to draw a square with these 4 attributes. And then we have the color of the rectangle and the draw method, just like the square. And then we have a canvas. So we need an object instance that is going to contain all these shapes. So we are going to define, the user is going to instantiate squares and rectangles, and the user is going to execute a draw method which is going to add the square of that particular object instance, that particular square, to the canvas. So we're going to have only one canvas object instance in the program, but multiple shapes such as squares and rectangles. And the canvas has a width, a height, a color, do you want it white or black or another color, and a make method which is going to produce the final image file, which could be PNG or JPG. And that make method, I think, should have an image path, so the file path of the image to be produced. And this is my design.txt file. I'll talk to you later.